What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Duke Caboom from Toy Story. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. Now we want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the top of each eye, we'll draw a small circle coming in for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now to move to the center, step down and add a curve for the nose. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Let's move up and add a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now I want to tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. So in the center, we'll draw two lines, one coming down on the left and then right side. Let's go across with a straight line, then come straight down towards the bottom. Let's angle the sides, going out and then up. Now I want to bend this back in towards the side of the nose. So we're going to go straight up, bend this in towards the side. Now from the bottom of the mustache, we're going to step down and add a curve for the mouth, coming down and up. Step down and add a short curve for the lip. Now let's go back and fill the inside of the mustache in black. Now from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start from the left side down here, curve this down underneath the mouth, and then bend that back up. Now from the side, draw a straight line going up towards the edge of the helmet. Let's close off the top with a straight line. Let's add in the eyebrows. Directly above the eyes, we're going to add a curve going up and then down. I just want to round up the ends and just tuck that up underneath the helmet. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going across, and then bend that up. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now let's go back down to the bottom of the head, draw a straight line going across towards the outside of the helmet. Now you want to connect the left and right side with a large circle. So we're going to go all the way out, around and then in towards the top. Go all the way around the right side and just pull that in towards the bottom. Let's add that large stripe in the center. So we're going to leave a gap, start on the left side, come straight down. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I want to extend this line out towards the side. Start with the left and then right. And we'll draw the bottom edge of the visor. Let's start on the left side of the helmet. We're going to curve this down in between the eye and mustache and then pull that up. Bend this around and then down underneath the right eye and then curve that back up toward the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to draw a V coming down and then up. Now from the side, curve the collar going up and then out, a slight bend, and then go straight up underneath the head. From the top of the collar, we're going to bend the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Connect the hips with a curve, coming down and up. Now step up and draw that again to the top of the belt, and we'll add a small circle in the center. Let's go back to the bottom of the collar, draw a straight line coming down. Now add two pockets on either side with a square. From the belt buckle, let's step down, draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to add the outside edge of the hinge. On the left, bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now from that center line, we're going to leave a small gap. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, come down and up towards the toe. I want to curve the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and then curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw the outside leg. We just want to flare this out so it gets wider as it comes down towards the feet. Now inside the ankles, we're going to draw 2 small ovals. And we'll add a trim across the bottom of the pants, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up, and then line it up on the right side. Let's separate the leg in half with another curve, going across the middle with a hinge. Now on the side of the leg, we're going to add a stripe, starting from the top. It's going to follow that curve of the leg coming down towards the bottom. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, starting right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side in a fist. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down, and then wrap that around that bracket. Go to the side, add the second finger tucked in behind. And then the same thing, the third finger, we go all the way around into the arm and then up underneath the head. Let's add that thick cuff, starting from the wrist, going up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Now we're going to go halfway along the arm, so the inside edge, add a seam going up and then out. Now just like we did with the legs, we're going to add a stripe going across, just following the curve of the arm. And then from that center seam, we're going to add that little hinge. Draw 2 straight angle lines coming down, flatten off the bottom. Now we're going to finish off by layering the cape in behind the body. So let's start from the index finger, draw a short angled line coming down and out on both sides. Want to connect the ends with a curve coming down in behind the legs. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Duke Caboom from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.